Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Apple's FaceTime on Android device. So here I've got an Android device on my left hand side and an Apple device on my right hand side. So the first thing that you need to do to be able to use FaceTime on your Android device is you need to have an invitation link. So on an iPhone here, let's say if your friend is using an iPhone, they need to open up FaceTime and they need to tap on create link button. In here they need to choose how they're going to send that link to you. They can simply send you a text message using the messages app. They can mail it to you. They can send you through a messenger app such as WhatsApp Messenger. So for example, if I say I'm going to mail the link, so I'm going to mail the link and then tap on the send button and then tap on send. Okay, so after that, we're going to wait for the link to send through to the Android device. Okay, so the link has just arrived. So I'm going to open up this link right here. And in here on my Android device, all I have to do now is tap on the FaceTime link. It will launch a web browser. Okay, it is quite a bit slow because of my Wi-Fi. And in here, we're going to tap on continue anyway. So this browser is not supported, but you still can use it. So I'm just going to tap on the continue anyway button. Okay, on the next screen, we're going to put in a name and tap on the continue button. And it says that allow access to your camera and microphone, and I choose allowed. And then choose while using the app or only this time. And it will ask you to allow Samsung Internet to record audio. Okay, so I'm going to grant the permission. And so here you got the FaceTime video link through a web page. And over here, I'm going to tap on the join button down here. I'm going to tap on join. Over here, I'm going to tap on join. Okay, so it says someone requested to join. So we tap on that. So we're just going to join. And we're just going to wait for the two devices to connect together. Okay, on your iPhone, you'll see it say one person waiting. We're going to expand that and tap on the join button. So tap on the tick right here and then tap on done. And so that will allow the other person to join. Okay, so that will allow the other person, so on the people on Android, will be able to join your FaceTime video call. And that's it. So you can have as many people as you like, up to 32 participants in your FaceTime video call. And that's how you can how you can use FaceTime on an Android device. There is no app that you need to download. It's very similar to Zoom or Google Meet, where people can send you a link and that will redirect you to a chat server or a video server where you can join your FaceTime video calls. And that's it. Now, the reason why it's cutting out is because I have a very weak Wi-Fi connection. I'm quite far away from the Wi-Fi router, but yeah, if you do get a weak signal, try to move closer to your Wi-Fi router. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.